Hi, I'm Dr. Bauer. I teach finance here at Tarleton State University. I wear a bow tie. If you see me in the hallways, I'm always wearing a bow tie. Couple of benefits wearing a bow tie. Number one, you look professional. Number two, you stand out. People remember you because I am the bow tie guy. Number three, you don't get your bow tie in your food when you eat. And so if you want to look professional, nerdy, and intimidate people, this video is for you. So to tie the bow tie, we're going to have to, first off, get it to go around the neck. And then one of the sides has to be longer than the other because it's actually going to tie into the knot. The easy part is just the first part goes up and around, then the one in the back comes out and makes the traditional bow tie look. The one in the front goes down, around. Notice I'm keeping my finger here because it's going to be going through there. So it goes up, around, and then I'm going to push it through. I'm trying to keep it as tight as I possibly can. Otherwise, you run out of bow tie while you're making the knot. So I pull it out. I make sure it's looking nice on that side while I'm keeping the other one. Now, I'm going to be pulling it tight. As I do that, I pull it tight from the inside, not the outside. People just think they're just pulling straight. No, you're tightening as you pull. And then as you get it looking more and more like a bow tie, I'm going to move the knot over, and then finally, and as you get it looking closer and closer to the way you want it, I tighten it on the inside away from my neck so it's not actually choking me. And then you're done. Number one place you'd want to use it is obviously at an interview, but before you get to an interview, you really need to get to the job fair, which is held in the fall. This year, it's going to be on September 20th. If you can't afford a bow tie, you can go and talk to someone in career services connected with the Career Clothing Fund.